Hi, welcome back. Do you know the 10 most common compliments in the English language? Well, in this video, we're going to teach you the ASL signs for those compliments, as well as give you some practice sentences to get to work. So here's our first sign. Beautiful, handsome. Okay, beautiful and handsome. Beautiful. I'm right-handed. I'm starting in this part of my face. This is a sign for pretty, beautiful. Those fingers outstretch, it rotates across the face and closes again. Let me show you from the side, okay? Pretty or beautiful, okay? Now, if you want to really accentuate that somebody's a knockout, all right, you're just really, really impressed. They are gorgeous. They are really beautiful. See at the end? I rotate the fingers and it pops off, okay? Beautiful, gorgeous. How about handsome? Take an H. In the same way we did beautiful or pretty like this, an H goes around the face like this. Handsome with an H. Handsome. Hey, that guy, there's a sign for boy, okay? That guy, who he is handsome. Handsome. How about this one? Hey, my teacher is beautiful, okay? And that pop at the end, beautiful, beautiful. Our next compliment is kind. Now, kind is soft. Kind isn't abrupt or, and you gotta be careful with your whole body here, right? Kind. See how the body just softened up, the shoulders softened up? Kind. Okay, non-dime on the hand, thumb outstretch, dime on the hand, starts behind, boom, boom, boom. And I come with it, right? And it comes from my shoulder and down. Kind, kind, oh. My grandma is kind, right? Can you see this? Love, see that? Kind. So there's kind. Okay. What was that middle sign? It really wasn't a sign. Okay, it just adds to the emotion, right? My grandma, oh, this is oh, pay attention. I'm really going to say something important here, okay? She is kind. How about this next one? You are really smart. Okay, smart. I'm taking my index finger, right side, boom. This is a sign for smart or intelligent. Okay, smart or intelligent. Here's another variation I've seen. Middle finger, same part in the forehead here, boom, it pops out. Smart. Ooh. That little girl is smart. Okay, how about this one? That little boy, when it comes to math, bam, and even the mouth, he is really, really smart at math. Okay, intelligent, smart, smart. All right, next compliment. Our next compliment is talent. Talent is a skill. Now down on the hand, thumb outstretched. This hand comes up, my right hand, because I'm right-handed, and pulls off. This is the sign for skill. Okay, skill. At ice skating, that individual is skilled or talented. Okay? Let me teach you one kind of variation of that, and that's this sign here. Take an F. You are just naturally gifted. You are talented. You are fantastic. Okay, man, you have the gift of, okay, so as a painter, right, this person is painting, you are, okay, gifted, talented. There's not really a great one-to-one translation there, right? But that gives you an idea. So we had skill, talent, okay, and we had a little more facial reaction with that one. Not a great one-to-one, but you are skilled, wonderful. This is up your alley. You're fantastic at this. This is your thing. Okay, so I hope for all of you that someday down the road, when you're signing, somebody's going to go back to you and say, you are gifted at American Sign Language, hopefully for all of us. Next compliment. This next one is humor, okay? A sense of humor. Funny. Thumb here, index and middle finger, right off the end of the nose. Okay? Oh, you're funny, okay? Your teasing or jokes are funny for a sense of humor, okay? Now, another variation, again, there's not a great one word. Two Y's like this. This is kidding around, silly, but this one can also be taken negatively. Like if you're teasing too much or you're messing around. Finish being silly, goofing off. Okay, goofing off. All right. Next compliment. Our next compliment is thoughtful. Thoughtful. Now, you might be tempted to sign thoughtful. Don't do that. Okay, not ASL, doesn't work. Thoughtful, there's not a direct sign for it, but there is this. Nice. Nice, but thoughtful is more than that, isn't it? Okay? I gave the reason why I'm signing nice here. You're so nice because you helped me. Here's a sign for help. I help you, you help me, okay? You are thoughtful, you were thoughtful because you helped me. So the sign, nice, kind of like to be kind, okay? Thoughtful, and I'm going to throw in the reason why. All right, you went with me, you helped me, you were kind to me, okay? You loved me, you were thoughtful. Nice, and the reason why. Here's our next one, inspiration. It starts down here, and it comes up your chest, and the fingers open. I'm inspired. Inspired. Okay, oh. I watched that movie, and man, it was inspiring. Got that? Inspiring. Inspiration. Okay, inspiration. Next compliment. Our next one's amazing. Okay. Two hands, wonderful, amazing. See how they're kind of offset a little bit? Boom, boom. Okay, man, you are wonderful. You are amazing. You are, this is incredible. You are amazing. You are awesome. Okay, three different signs. The concept I'm trying to give you, okay? Awesome, wonderful, amazing, okay? Whew. Your cooking is so delicious. Got it? Let's get you delicious because that was a new sign for some of you. Delicious. That's an interesting sign. Middle fingers, they rotate off the thumb like you're going to snap and forward. Oh, that food was delicious. Delicious. Okay? You're amazing, amazing, awesome. Right? There's three ones. Pick the one that works for you in the situation you're at. All right, next compliment. This next one is you're a great listener. All right, now let's think about that one for a second, all right? Similar to kind, right? It's a little softer. It's not so abrupt, right? Oh. This is the sign to listen. And the body also communicated, hey, you know what? You took the time, you sat back, you focused, you listened. Listen. Now, some people, because you're deaf, right, they don't listen. They do this. This is receptivity through your eyes of somebody signing. Did you catch all that? So when somebody signs and I'm taking it in, I'm really focused, I'm really listening, okay? Thank you for listening, or thank you for listening. And really paying, this is the sign for attention. You paid attention. You didn't do this. You didn't play around on your phone. You really listened. All right? Let me give you a variation on this one. It really is touching to me. This is the sign to understand. Okay? If we, what did that just mean? I understand, you understand, we understood each other. Does that happen when you're a great listener? Okay? To understand, oh, I felt understood. All right, there's a touchy one, and one that you might think about when you're using in conversation with good friends, family, people who really care about you. Okay, you are so supportive. Support. Now, non-dominant hand here's on top. Kind of unusual sometimes. This is the foundation. I'm going to come up and support. Support. Oh. Thank you for supporting me. Okay? Okay, did you catch all that? Hey, you know, my divorce was hard. Thank you for supporting me. Now, divorce, okay, two D's like this, you pull them apart. I'm also seeing much more common now, divorce. This is a sign for marriage. Divorce, I'm now seeing as, pop it off, right? Separation, the separation of marriage, coming apart, divorce. So divorce or divorce. Divorce. And what do? You supported. So think about that. Kind, listen, right? You paid attention. Those are some of the compliments we give people who love us and you pay attention to us. So there you go. 10 very common compliments in English with some ASL signs and some practice. Hey, if you're getting some value out of these videos, would you please let somebody else know? Have them subscribe, you subscribe. Let's get the word out. Teachers, students, friends, coworkers, whoever's learning ASL. Hope you're finding some value. Thanks for swinging by and watching.